This project is made by Python and Pyqt5. How are you? I hope you are well. Now I will discuss about this project. It's our project code and it's our project exe file. Now I will run it. Double click it. Then first time I will install this project. So firstly it's check database. Hello, I am Amnul. I hope you are well. Now I will discuss about this project. It's our project code and it's our project exe file. Now I will run this project. Firstly, I will install this project. It's check from our server database if it's find out license key, then it's open automatically. But if it's not find out license key, then it's need license key. So first time I will insert installation information. So first time I will add information. Its file location, its industry name, phone number, website, location, and its file location. This location means which location I will save patient information. So I selected patient information save location and logo. It's our logo. It's our middle point. Save successfully. Then we need license key. So it's our server. Here already sent some license key. So it's a license key. It's a token and it's a signature. Our software is activated successfully. So it's our software. Now I will explain this project step by step. Firstly, it's our settings. When our license key will expire, then we can renew it. Use this option, and it's a utilities where we can, save patient information manually. and it's our about page and it's exit page. And use this field we can any patient information search. Okay, now I will enter some patient information. Mail. Add image. Add image. It's saved successfully. It's our we already said you we can receive patient information in two way. One is manually, which already see you, and another is after connected the software in ultrasonogram machine server, then automatically received ultrasonogram machine information. And also this page automatically reload after 10 seconds or 5 seconds for get update information. Now I will see you view image. It's our image. Here we can easily zoom in, zoom out, flip, rotate, invert, erase. Okay, we can easily erase it. We can easily then save it successfully, and we can also print this information. Okay, and we can also drag and drop. We can also drag and drop, and we can change user information. Okay, we can change user information. After change it, then we can print and we can print this after change information. We can print this report and we can save this file. Okay, thank you very much.